Good morning, student. Today in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, force. And in our previous video we have completed our chapter number 2 and question answer which I have still not given, which I have discussed only. The question answer, the PDF file of question answer you will get within a week of both the chapter 2 and chapter 3. I will provide you the question and answer PDF file of question and answer in WhatsApp. But without wasting time, we will start our new chapter, that is force. First we will discuss that what is force. According to your level, we can define force as a pull or push. A pull or push is called force. According to your level of class 6, we can define force as a pull or push is called force. Pull means खींचना, push means धक्का देना. You can see in the figure also, pull and push. A pull or push, a push or pull on an object is called force. This is the definition of the force. Now next we will see effect of force. Effect of force. What are the effect of force? There are so many effect of force given in your book also in page number 50. The first effect is force can move a stationary object. Force can move a stationary object. It means that if an object is at rest, it can make the object in motion. It means a force can change the state from rest to motion. The second thing, the opposite of the first point. Force can stop a moving object. If an object is moving, a force can stop that object. The third one is a force can change the speed of an object. The fourth point is force can change the direction of object. And the fifth point is force can change the shape and size of the object. Now you can define force including these points also. If force is a physical quantity which can move a stationary object, you can make the definition like this also. You can add any of the point to make the definition of the force. Now there are 5 effects of force which is given in your book, and we will discuss one by one all the effect of the force. Like the first is a force can move a stationary object. Let us see an example. Suppose, let us see the example of the book. Here in the book, ball is at rest and this player is applying force on the ball. When he will apply a force on the ball will start moving. This is the first point. Force can move a stationary object. If an object is at rest, force can make it in motion. Force can stop a moving object. Suppose in the same figure, if this player kicks the ball, this goalkeeper will, what he will do? He will catch the ball. That means he has stopped the ball like this. He has stopped the ball. The ball was in motion and it has been stopped by the goalkeeper. Next is force can change the speed. Now see here in the example, this push or pull it is showing. This is a cart where he can apply force and he can change the speed of the body. Next is force can change the direction of a moving object. A bowler bowls to a batsman. The direction of bowling is different, but when a batsman hits the ball, the direction of the ball gets changed. And the last point, force can change the shape and size. Here you can see the potter who is using the mud to make the you can say that the items, the things from the mud like diya, these things are being made, and the force can change the shape and size. And you can see a real life example also when your mother at your home is grinding the floor, आटा गूंथते समय, they are changing the shape and size. You can also change the shape and size of the clay for making different items. Why these are being done? Because force is being applied on those object. Similarly, all these 5 points can be done by the force. That means it can make the stationary object in motion, it can make the moving object at rest, it can change the speed of an object, it can change the direction of an object, it can change the shape and size of the object. These were the effect of the force, what force can do. Today in this video I am discussing only up to here. Your task is to go through the book, read each and every line of the book. Whatever I have told here in this video, the same thing will be written here also, and you have to read the book and you have to understand all the points. And if you are having query, then you can raise your query. You have to read up to here, you have to read, and the next video we will be discussing our next page.